Alright, so there's the blizzard of 2016, the spring blizzard of 2016. I want to say it's probably 18 to 20 inches of snow. Yesterday was 72 and sunny. Today it's 30 degrees and 20 inches of snow. Lots of cars in the neighborhood have been stuck. We had to go get them all out, including Misa, but we were able to get her out and get her in the garage. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. Let me show you out front. Alright, so this is out front, and you can see the streets have not been plowed yet, but people have been driving through. It's looking a little bit better, but you can see the snow is still coming down. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. But I like it. That's Denver for you. But you can see the snow built up right there.